Hello, my name is Devin Beatty, and I'm the Energy Program Specialist with the Sarasota County IFAS Extension and Sustainability Office. I'm here today to talk about our do-it-yourself home energy and water audit backpack kits available at Sarasota County libraries all throughout the county. So we have a number of guidebooks and resources inside this, and along with those resources, we'll also have a couple of tools to help you out. These tools include wattage meters, a humidity monitor, and an infrared thermometer. These are expensive pieces of professional equipment, so we ask that you please return everything included in the backpack so others can continue to learn about their utility usage and save money too. The first section of the do-it-yourself home energy and water audit is the energy audit. In this section, you'll learn where energy comes from and where it is used most in your household. Through this audit, you will calculate how much energy is being used to power your heating and cooling, water heating, lighting, and other appliances and electronics throughout your home. You'll also end the section by developing a strategy to start using less energy at home and save money. Doing this home energy audit yourself will save you about $400. That's how much a home energy audit costs from an actual professional. That's a lot of savings. The second section is the water audit. In the water audit, you'll learn where our local water supply is sourced from and treated, and where you're using water most in your own household. Through the water audit, you will review and better understand your water bills, spot water leaks in and around your home, and figure out the best strategies to save water both indoors and outdoors to start saving money. The average home water audit ranges in price from $200 to $700 if done by a professional. Those are more dollars saved from doing the audit yourself and learning the same information. So again, just a reminder, catching this wasted electricity, wasted water can help you save thousands of dollars when combined with the money saved by doing these audits yourself, not to mention hundreds of dollars off these utility bills alone. So be sure to check out the do-it-yourself Home Energy and Water Audit Kit backpacks at your Sarasota County Library closest to you.